Hi guys, welcome to New Growth Naturals Hub. In this video, I will show you how to make a DIY ginger oil. So my ginger is already freshly washed. So I'm cutting off the edges or the ends and I'm peeling away the skin before I grate the ginger. Things you will need to make this DIY ginger oil is ginger, of course, a knife, a grater, and a carrier oil of your choice. But in this case, I will be using the extra virgin olive oil. And of course, you're gonna need a bowl or a dish to grate your ginger into. So in this case, I'm using this pie dish to put my ginger in, and I'll be grating it into the same dish when I'm through preparing my ginger. This time I'm grating away. But let me just say to you, you don't have to use a grater. You can use an extractor. You can use a juicer, because we won't be using the juice in this method. We only be using the ox or the trash, whatever we call it, to make this ginger oil. Here are some health benefits of ginger for your hair. Ginger increases blood circulation to your scalp, and this enables hair growth. Number 2, ginger prevents dandruff. Ginger is consists of antiseptic properties that prevent dandruff. Consuming ginger helps you, and when you sweat from your hair, it produces natural oils that act as antiseptics, preventing dandruff. Ginger treats split ends. Ginger has antioxidants in it that can prevent split ends and dry hair related problems. It also reduces hair fall. Ginger root can prevent hair loss. It can be consumed in form of food or tea, or sometimes you can make it into a paste and place it on your hair and allow it to dry for some time.
Gary took my good towel to strain ginger in. Before him ask me for a strain
At 12 o'clock at night?
So he did this video at 12 o'clock in the night, and he's using my white towel to strain. So guys, you can use a stocking cap or a strainer, whatever is easy for you. Our cheesecloth is even better, but don't come and use my white towels here. Oh gosh.
And here you have it, guys. I'm putting my ginger. After it's squeezed, I am putting it into the bowl that I'm going to use to do the deep boiler method. So this is what the ginger looks like after it's squeezed. All the juice is gone, so everything just come together as one. So I'm going to pull it apart, and after pulling it apart, I'm going to apply my oil to it. And in this case, as I said, I'm using the extra virgin olive oil, but you can use any carrier oil of your choice. Benefits of olive oil: being rich in nutrients with an oily consistency. Extra virgin olive oil is an ideal natural balm for hair. In addition to having a detangling effect, it nourishes hair deeply, leaving it soft and shiny. So at this time I am checking my oil to see how cool it is, if it's ready to be, if I can strain it off into the applicator bottle so it can be applied to the client's hair. And here you have it. It's cool enough where I can strain it off. So I'll go right ahead to strain it off into the applicator bottle. What you would need to strain your oil off is you can use a strainer, and for some persons, if you want, you can use a fabric to strain your oil. But in this case, I'm going to use a applicator bottle, a funnel, and a fine strainer to strain it off to get it into this bottle so I can apply it to the client's hair before blow drying.